In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign in to a Proton Mail account. Whether you're new to Proton Mail or just need a quick refresher, I'll walk you through the process step by step, ensuring you can access your emails without any hassle. First things first, let's navigate to the Proton Mail sign-in page. You'll want to open your preferred web browser and type in the URL, which is account.proton.me/mail. You can also search for Proton Mail in your search engine if that's easier for you. Once you've landed on the sign-in page, you'll notice it's designed with simplicity and ease of use in mind. The clean, straightforward layout helps you focus on getting logged in quickly. Now that you're on the sign-in page, the next step is to enter your username and password. Your username is usually the part of your email address before the @protonmail.com. Make sure you type it in correctly, as any small error can prevent you from signing in. After entering your username, move on to the password field. It's always a good idea to double check your password for any typos, especially because passwords are case sensitive and even a single misplaced character can cause issues. If you find yourself forgetting your password easily, consider using a password manager. This tool can securely store your login details and automatically fill them in for you. But remember, always keep your password manager secure as well. Once your username and password are correctly entered, you're ready for the final step, clicking on the Sign In button. This is usually located right below the password field. After you click, your browser will take a moment to verify your credentials. If everything is correct, you'll be directed to your inbox, where you can start managing your emails. If for some reason you can't sign in, don't panic. Check that your internet connection is stable. If your connection is fine, revisit the sign-in page and try re-entering your details. Make sure there are no extra spaces before or after your username and password. In case you've forgotten your password, look for the Forgot Password link on the sign-in page. Proton Mail offers a straightforward process to reset it, ensuring you can regain access quickly. And there you have it, a simple guide to signing into your Proton Mail account. If you follow these steps, you should be able to access your emails without any trouble. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tutorials. Happy emailing!